What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today is part 2 on the Volkswagen Caddy. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to make a start stripping down all the front end, assess the damage, see what parts we need to order and sort of take it from there really. We've tried to open the bonnet. The bonnet is actually jammed. I'll show you quickly. We can't seem to open it, and obviously I don't want to open it, it's going to cause more damage there. So what I'm thinking is that we're going to have to cut this section out of the bumper and then sort of just cut the latch and then sort of access it that way. So we're going to make a start. Like I said, we're going to, first of job is to get the bonnet up. Once we've got the bonnet up, we can start taking, we've got to take the wing off, headlight, obviously the bumper will be coming off, and so on. What I need to do probably as well is I need to jack this side up, check for any suspension damage. Whilst we're there, obviously we're going to need to take the wheel off to get the arch liner off, so we can access them bolts that will be in there to get the wing off. So I'll get set up, I'll come right back and we'll make a start getting the bonnet off. Guys, so we've now got the bonnet off, yeah, bigger. As you can see, this is sort of snapped clean off. I think that can be, that can be reused. So we just undo that, and then the front cowling can, yeah, they're reusable, so that's good. What we're going to do now is take the front bumper off, see exactly what we're dealing with. We're an absolute nightmare trying to get that off. So yeah, current state of play. So I'll get set up and we'll get the bumper off. Right guys, we've now got the bumper off, as you've seen there. Took the wheel off. Current state of play. We'll do a take that off and have a proper look at that. We're probably going to need a new one, a new crash bar. Yeah, we're going to need a new crash bar. Taken some whack. We're going to need a new washer bottle. If we look, I think it looks as though it's ripped along there. It's the bracket that holds the wing in, sort of folded in there. See that? So what we're going to do next, we're going to get the wing off, remove the headlight. To be fair, we'll probably take both headlights out. And then, obviously I don't know, we're going to take the crash bar off, but I don't know, we're going to take the crash bar off, but we can't, obviously I still need to be able to move the van, so we can't take the rad off yet until we've got it hasn't lost any water, so you see there, we've still got water, so we know that the rad's not leaking. It doesn't look as though it's been damaged, obviously that's damaged there, but we'll order a new one of them. We'll get this off. So yeah, that's what we're going to do next. That's pretty bent in as well. Okay, so we've got the wing off now, we've taken the light off, not that there was much holding it in. We're taking sort of this section off. So we've made a list of what parts we're going to need for this. We're obviously going to need two new hinges for the bonnet, because that's bent. And as you can see there, that one's bent as well. Why is that loose? That's snapped. Right, so actually I literally just realised that headlight snapped off its tabs. I think, I don't know, we might need to get a new headlight, because if you see there, that normally is for the repair tab. It's got two there. Get a tab repair kit for that maybe. Not too sure. We'll look into that. We're going to need this front section here. We're going to need a new crash bar. I'll just be happier just to get a new one. Is it what it needs? Straight there. Yeah, it's been bent in there. For the sakes of it, we'll get a new one. Obviously down here you can see where it's ripped. It sort of pushed it in there, but that should be fairly straightforward to sort of bring back out. Obviously we'll look at that, sorting that out in the next video. So what else will we need? Yeah, the hinges. Come over here. Possibly need a new one of them, because I think that's bent. So here's the headlight. You can see it's absolutely written off. Look at the back of that. That's mashed. Absolutely had it, that has. Need a new washer bottle. Need a new bumper. Need a new wing. Need a new bonnet. And we're going to need a new inner wheel liner. Yeah, as you can see, that's where we're at. So what I'm going to do is just have a little tidy up, get the wheel back on. Need to put it back inside, and then I'll come back once we've got it jacked down. Okay, so obviously we just packed all the stuff up. Something that's a little bit concerning. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. No, I don't want to pick up on camera. Let me zoom in. But I don't know if you're not going to pick it up. Basically, the chassis leg comes, and then it sort of comes in slightly there, and then bolt holes don't really line up too well. So I'm wondering if the chassis leg has just ever so slightly been knocked in. So yeah, I don't know if that's been pushed in ever so slightly. Obviously time will tell when we get a new crash bar and we line it up, if that's out so slightly. I mean, it might just need, all it'll need is just sort of pulling out a touch. It's nothing drastic. I mean, none of the welds have come away or anything like that. But obviously we're going to have to see to this as well. We'll sort of straighten that out, and yeah, that's going to be fun. But yeah, I mean, that's sort of where we are, guys. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think of this? Do you think it's worse than we thought, or it's about right? So that's going to be the end of part 2 on the Volkswagen Caddy. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start ordering some parts. Now I know, I've got an idea of what we need to get, so I'll get the parts ordered, and then obviously when they turn up, we can sort of start putting it all back together. But yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you very soon in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Peace.